It's time for another Air Raid.
Air Raid 25.
Featuring Manic Drive.
I just got good news.
KJ52. And introducing Lena. Really big. Air Raid 25, May 14th at Trinity Community Church in Oro Station, just off Highway 11.
Tickets are on sale now.
Get them at the Life Studios or charge by phone, 866-735-3370.
The biggest Air Raid ever.
Tickets are $15 in advance, $20 at the door, and $25 for the Manic Drive VIP experience. With a backstage show, photos with the band, and a Q&A. Manic Drive, KJ52, and Lena, May 14th at Trinity Community Church.
Music to touch your life and increase your faith.
airraid.ca.
airraid.ca.